Want to know a real way to make money from your phone? Let's get right into it. So we're going to be using the product SoFi, referral-based money in this case. You're not going to have to do systems and the whole setup like we do in digital marketing. You can just get off to the races. You see they have a whole suite of products. We're going to be focusing on the banking, checking, and savings account. Referral-based programs are all around you. After you see this video, you're going to see them everywhere. You always see somewhere that says, hey, if you bring in a customer, we'll give you a free taco. Hey, if you bring in a referral to your bank, we'll give you a $300 credit. Hey, with their banking and checking account, they say, hey, if you open a personal checking and savings account with us and they're together, we're going to give you $25 once you deposit $50 in our account. You can look this app up. You just need a referral link to actually get the bonus that I'm mentioning. Hey, we're going to give you $25. If any person you get does the same for our app and deposits $50 in a personal checking or savings, we're going to pay you $75. And so for right now, it's a $10,000 limit, a $10,000 limit. I don't know about you guys, but I can use $10,000 from here into January. So that's the limit. Remember, when you make $600 or more in these referral-based programs or businesses, you have to file taxes on that. So keep that in mind. I think that's a fair exchange for an extra $10,000. So that's it. And then in the app, you're going to be able to get your referral link, and that's it. So this how you set this up. You're gonna go down. I'm gonna have the link below. I'm gonna actually have a system where you can watch a video if you need to watch a video again, or you can just go straight and grab the app. You're going to go to the checking and savings, which is already a link to it. You're going to create your account, fill out all your information. When you get to a point where it says, how do you want to transfer, money? Use a debit card. Direct deposit or bank transfer is going to prolong the process because it could, depending on your bank, it could take a while. So it's funny, these are third-party apps. I use Chime as my number one that I use online. I never really use my major bank account, so I just deposited from Chime to SoFi. They paid me my bonus. Be on the lookout. I know a lot of you guys have prepaid. That might be an issue, so hopefully everyone's using a major, debit card, Chime. I don't know any other ones, or your bank account or whatever. Transfer your $50 and they should almost instantly give you your 25. That shows everything went through. You did it the proper way, and you can start referring people. I want you guys to also remember, you're not losing money. SoFi has a virtual wallet card. Apple Pay, we all use virtual cards when we forget our wallets. So you can use your money real time, or when you get your bonus, you can just transfer it wherever you need to transfer it back. It's up to you. But I use SoFi a lot. Like when I have money in my account, they send you a debit card. So I use that when it's in there. So no need to really keep transferring it unless you're paying some type of bill or something. So this is a real way to make money from your phone. A lot of people are going to not take advantage of it and leave this money on the table. If I was you, I would take advantage of this right now. All the information will be in the description.